Hi everyone. So in this video I will be showing you that how to accommodate more than 100 members at a time in a Google Meet. So according to the latest Google update, so they support only 100 members in a Google Meet. Okay, so before it was 200, now it reduced to 100. So the people who are handling classes for their students, if the number of candidates is more than 100, then they may face a huge problem, because the faculty is handling the class and they can't accommodate all the students in the single link. So that's the problem, and today I will be showing you an easiest trick so that you can able to tackle this problem. So let's show that. So first thing is that I opened Google Chrome. All right, so I opened Google Chrome and I'm going to type Meet. Okay, so Meet, I'm currently having my official Google Meet link to conduct classes. So consider I'm handling classes for the third year. Okay, so this is the official link for the third year. Okay, now I turn off my cam and video. I just join to Google Meet. Okay, consider that all the students are joining to this link every day. So I log into this particular Google Meet. Now the thing is that currently only 100 members can join in this particular Google Meet. Now how can I accommodate the other remaining students? So in order to do that, first I am going to share this particular screen, because I'm going to handle PPTs, or I'm going to show some notes or something. So anyway, I'm going to share my screen. So I'm going to share my screen by using the tab given below. You can see here present now. Click on present now and choose the first option, your entire screen. So that I will sharing the entire screen. Okay, so I'm doing that. Choose the option share. Now through this Google Chrome and through this Meet link, I'm sharing the content. Okay, now what you need to do is that you can open one more browser. So I'm using here Internet Explorer as an alternate browser, and now I'm going to Meet. Okay, I'm going to Meet Google Meet. Okay, I'm going to open Google Meet once again. I'm going to start a new meet. Okay, so I'm going to start an instant new meet. So you can see that a new meeting is I'm going to use the same account. Okay, my academic account itself, and you can see here, yeah, turning off my mic as well as this one. Okay, let me use my personal account itself. Okay, fine. And now I'm joining. Okay, so this is a newly created link. Now I'm copying this joining information. Right now I'm going to share this particular link in the chat box. Okay, so I have the chat box here. I'm going to share this particular link here, so all the students in this particular group can get the link, and if they got disconnected, or they can share this link to the other students, so that the other students can join this particular link. Actually this particular link is active in Internet Explorer. Okay, you can see Internet Explorer here. Also you need to do a presentation. You need to share your screen here also. So in this particular browser also you need to press present now and choose the option entire screen. Okay, and share it. Okay, so both the browsers I opened two links. Okay, and the first link is my actual Google Meet link that I conducted class regularly, and the second browser I opened a new Meet link and I joined there and share the screen. So both the browsers and both the Google, that means both the Google Meet, in both the browsers I shared my entire screen. Okay, and you need to turn on the uh, voice as well. Okay, so I am turning on the mic here, as well as I am turning on the mic here also. So that's it. Now you can start taking classes. So students who are present in this particular meet, as well as students, let me show side by side. Okay, this is my Internet Explorer, and this is my Google Chrome. Okay, so I am showing this side by side. You can see here, one is, this is Internet Explorer, and this is Google Chrome. Okay, so everything will be working perfectly. So using this trick, you can able to accommodate more than 100 students at a time. Thank you.